everyone, we have not done a Zoom tutorial in a little while, and of course we're all still so involved with Zoom. It's good to keep up on the changes that they are adding to our Zoom sessions. Some of those can be a lot of fun, and that's all this one is today, is a change that they added. It was a feature to one of their updates that adds a little bit of fun to your Zoom calls. So launch your Zoom app, and when you get your Zoom app launched, we want you to go into your settings. You can do that on the Mac by going up to the Zoom menu and then clicking on Preferences, or on the PC, you're going to launch Zoom and you're going to see a little cog. It looks like a gear. Click on that and go into Settings. Once you're in there, you're going to click on the Background and Filters area right here, which we've gone to before because a lot of people love their virtual backgrounds. You know, you can get to see my orange couch and some pillows here. But as we know, we can click on these virtual backgrounds, and if your computer is compatible, they'll look great. But for the most part, at least for me, I leave them turned off. The addition, or the new feature that a lot of people don't know about, is the addition of these video filters. If you click on those, these are literally just a fun thing. So the kids might get more out of them than anything, but you can put a mask on while you're in a Zoom call, which can be kind of a fun thing. They do have a couple different flavors of it, which is really nice. You can always wear the mouse ears and nose. You can get a little French if you want to, which is really kind of fun. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of really interesting things in here. And again, it's just so you can have a little bit of fun during a birthday party. If you want to look cute while talking to the grandchildren. But anyway, try not to, again, overdo it, because you can scare off someone. You can get real dramatic about it, or you can click on None to turn it off. So give it a try, have some fun. It's a great way to try to enjoy all those Zoom meetings that we're involved in. Thanks.